Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Flan De Coco. First, let's create the caramel base. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking without stirring until it transforms into a beautiful, deep amber caramel. Immediately and carefully pour this hot caramel into your chosen baking mold, ensuring it coats the bottom evenly. Next, we'll prepare the creamy flan mixture. In a blender, combine 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Add 4 large egg yolks and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for richness. Finally, pour in 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk, which gives our flan its distinctive tropical taste. Blend all these ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined, ensuring no lumps remain. Now it's time to bake our delicious flan. Carefully pour the prepared coconut flan mixture over the cooled caramel in your baking mold. Place this mold into a larger baking pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath that comes about halfway up the sides of the flan mold. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 60 to 75 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove the flan from the oven and let it cool completely at room temperature. This step is crucial for proper setting. After cooling, transfer the flan to the refrigerator and chill it for a minimum of 4 hours, though overnight is even better. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges of the mold, then carefully invert the flan onto a serving plate. The caramel will cascade beautifully over the top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.